About 1 minute, we'll ride the elevation. Elevator speed 22 kilometers per hour, 15 miles an hour.
30 miles an hour?
15 miles.
15.
Yeah.
Are your ears popping?
Yeah.
You have to yawn.
We are going to
Just like on the plane.
114 building stories height.
Good job.
346 meters, 1,136 feet.
Wow, look how high we are, guys.
Wow.
If you have a Sky Park ticket, go on this elevator, turn right. Around the corner, the elevator bring up to Sky Park. For the glass floor, 1 floor down by mistake.
Look at that skating rink down there, boys.
Ice skating,
Did it
have a
Yeah,
fun.
see by the water?
Yeah.
See all the people skating on the ice, the white ice?
Just before the lake. Right on the shoreline.
Can't see anymore.
Yeah, we're here. We're gonna go.